Welcome to demonstration of how to attempt coding or programming exam. This video would help you to understand how to attempt coding test online. You will be provided with a username and password. You need to enter that username and password and then enter the captcha is shown on the screen, and then you can accept terms of use and privacy policy of the website and click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown the details of the exam name, programming exam name, start date, end date, total number of questions, total duration associated with exam. You can click on proceed button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on proceed button, you will be shown the details of the exam, your name, your roll number. You need to confirm that your name and roll number is valid. Then you can click on confirm button to proceed ahead. If system asks you for the permission of web camera, you need to enable that permission, because without giving permission to the web camera, your online exam may not get started. As soon as you provide permission, online exam instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can click, you can read the instruction and click on I have read and understood the instructions. Then you can click on I am ready to begin to proceed ahead with the online programming test. As soon as you click on it, you will be shown the details of the exam. Like question will be shown in the questions tab. Question has got various parameters like problem statement, example, functional description, and returns. So problem statement will provide you the detailed description of the problem or program to be written. Along with that, in the example section, there will be certain detailed description associated with the program. For functional description, you can refer the functional description section, and what exactly system should return will be shown over here in the return section. And then in the test cases tab, there will be various test cases associated with the program, where you can click on run button. So as soon as you click on run button, your test case will be executed by the system, and if it is successful, then green color will be shown. But since this test case has resulted in a failure, it is showing it has executed in 484 milliseconds and it is a failure. So you need to complete the program associated with the question, and then you can run those test cases. So here there is a programming text area that is being provided over here. You can write the program as per your logic, and then you can there is a facility available where you can click on run button, and as soon as you click on run button, you will get to know whether the test case is successful or not. So this is the way using which you can easily attempt programming test. So in case of online programming test, you might be asked to write a detailed coding program in various languages. So there is an option available to select suitable compiler. So in the current context, you can see there are options available for C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Python, Go, JavaScript, and Kotlin. So you can select suitable language as per the problem statement, and you write or compile your program accordingly. As soon as you write your program and if it is ready to be compiled without any compilation error, you can click on the run button. So this test case has been successfully executed in 890 milliseconds, and green output color of the input output text has been shown as green. Similarly, there are various test cases which will be provided to you. So you need to execute all those test cases one by one, and marks will be allocated to you based on execution of those test cases. So in certain cases, 4 test cases might be provided. In cases, some cases, 5 test cases might be there. So while compiling the program and executing those test cases, you need to ensure that you are running all such test cases, and based on that, you will get expected output. So this way you can move to the next question or previous question by clicking on previous as well as or next, save and next button. As soon as you are done with your test, you can click on submit test button. Then a summary associated with your online coding test will be shown. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and mark for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and mark for review will be shown in the purple color. You need to ensure that you have attempted all the programs. If you are not sure that you are not attempted all the programs, then you can click on no button and just ensure that you have verified and attempted all the programs as per the requirement. And if you are sure that you have attempted all the programs, then you can click on yes button. As soon as you click on yes button, your program will be a programming test will be marked as complete. Thank you for watching this video.